Hi guys, you are welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time on my channel, you are also very much welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be showing you how I use carrot juice as a leave-in conditioner. I use this recipe on my hair and on my daughter's hair as well. So I'll be showing you how to make this. This recipe is good for anyone who is looking to grow their hair, who is experiencing shedding, who is also experiencing breakage or damage. Then this recipe is good for you. So I'll start off by slicing my carrot into smaller pieces just for easy blending. We all know carrot is really good for the hair because it is rich in vitamin A and vitamin E. It is also good for shine and leaves your hair really moisturized. So I'll be using that, and I will also be using aloe vera. I have a lot of videos on my channel with recipes using aloe vera. This is left over from the last one I've made. If you want to see how to extract aloe vera, please check my other videos. So once I have blended that, I will just go ahead and sieve out the carrot juice. After I finished making this recipe, when I went to apply this to my daughter's hair, I realized that it had particles in it. This is because the sieve I'm using had bigger holes, so I had to sieve it again using smaller holes. So I'm just letting you know so that from the onset you use a sieve with smaller holes to avoid particles on your hair. I would also like to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers as well. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much for all the love and the support. I really appreciate it. And if you're watching this video, you haven't subscribed yet, then please, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of content you will find useful. So now I will be adding my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is really good for growing your hair as well. Even though carrot juice has vitamin E, I am still adding more to it. I will also be adding tea tree oil because it helps to stimulate the scalp. If you don't have tea tree oil, you can use peppermint oil. I added about 15 drops of each, and lastly I'll be adding my rosemary oil. So now rosemary oil is one of my favorite oils to use on my hair. I use it on almost all my recipes because my hair really loves it. I added about 15 drops of that as well. I am now transferring the carrot juice to my spray bottle and ready for me to use it. I'll be showing you how to use this recipe on my daughter's hair. I always say in my videos, my recipes are child friendly because I make them with natural ingredients. So whatever I use on my hair, I use on my daughter's hair as well. So this is freshly washed hair. I have only washed and conditioned the hair. There's no product in it. So this is how I will start. But first, the carrot juice I have made is so concentrated, so I'll be adding some water to it to dilute it. So this is what it looks like. You can see how very thick it is. So I'll be adding some water to it just to reduce the concentration. So I will start off by spraying the juice on my daughter's hair, just everywhere, just to make sure that the whole hair has the carrot juice. And after I have done that, I will use my fingers to just massage her scalp, not my nails, just my fingers to massage her scalp. And once I am sure everything is in, I make sure I concentrate on her ends, because obviously they're the oldest hair, so they are weaker, so it's always important you add more to the ends of the hair. So after I have done that, the next stage will be me moisturizing her hair using any moisturizer. Here I will be using the Cantu leave-in conditioner to just moisturize her hair with that. So after moisturizing the hair, I will use this carrot oil to massage her scalp. I have this recipe coming up in 2 days time, so please subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that when I do post it, you will get a notification. These two recipes work together for best result. I encourage you to do the carrot oil as well. So guys, I have finished and I have done her hair into just 4 plaits for it to dry till we style it. So thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.